Man, air conditioner's been off for like 2 minutes and it's already hot in here. My thermostat is showing I have a temperature readout for outside and inside, and it's saying in the shade outside right now it's 97.9, and it's almost 5, quarter to 5. In the afternoon. So be sure y'all drinking a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Okay, so today is going to be on air conditioner fixes and some tips and tricks. And so let me start off by saying welcome back, and I hope I got some good information that you could use. And I wish I could publish more frequently, but I'm only me by myself, and that's the way it is. Hey, I'm happy I got over 100 subscribers, and I want to thank all of you for that. And so I'm not in it for the money, really. I'm just in it to be helpful, okay? So here we go. We're just going to get right on into this. Okay, I'm going to talk about a few things today. First, this is all about the air conditioner, okay? See right here? These plugs right here. Okay, I just took them out because it's not that important to me to be pretty up there in the ceiling. But these little screwdrivers, really fine tip. If you put it in the side right here, you can pull them out. Alright, so just that little screwdriver right there. Okay, secondly, you could either use a number 1 Phillips screwdriver to get to the 6 screws that hold this cover on, or you could use a number 2 square tip. Alright, those screws take either or. Alright, and if you notice, I still have it running. I'm going to show you why in a minute. Okay, also, the nuts you have to tighten up, or the screws you have to tighten up, they are 3/8. I just have a little shorty 3/8 ratchet, and the depot socket's a 1/4 inch, so I put an adapter on so I can use a 1/4 inch. So that's what I use right here. Real simple setup. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about here. First, we are going to remove the cover, the vent, and if you notice, it's still running. I leave it running for a reason, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Alright, let's see. Let's get these 6 screws out of here, because you have to remove this cover to get to the screws to tighten it. Oh, and the reason why I have to do this is because yesterday and the day before I was just too busy doing other stuff. I found drops of water on the ground. That's a sign of the tray up on top leaking under the seal and into your RV. So with that said, I'm going to show you my way of fixing it. And also, if you're hearing vibration noises, it could be something as simple as your mounting bolts needing tightening up. You don't have to replace a fan or no major repair, just tighten up your mounting bolts. Because if they get out of whack, it sets everything inside off balance, which will cause a vibration. And I'm doing this special for the video. I already did it once, that's why you hear it nice and quiet. Okay. I'm gonna let it talk to you right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your mounting bolts that hold it to the ceiling or to the roof. Okay, now I'm going to loosen 2 up and you're going to hear the fan change. You hear that vibration? That's because it's out of whack. So if you start to hear that, first thing I would do is check to make sure these bolts are tight, which I did. That's why I was able to fix it up. See here how it got quiet again? Just got to torque the bolts. Don't over tighten them. Don't use any tools. Just do them by hand. I mean, don't use any power tools. Just torque them up there by hand. You'll be fine. And it'll pull that seal on the roof tighter. It'll pull the air conditioner tighter against that seal. And see, this is why I do it with it on. So you could hear if it's out of balance. And then, after you do that, simply replace the cover. Now I happen to have a brand new cover. That's what this one is. Right here, that's what this one is that I'm putting on. And so I took the old one off because it was filthy dirty after 5 years of use. And I'm washing it up and I'll just store it to the side for now. But I had this brand new cover for my other air conditioner, but we ended up not utilizing the thermostat on the other one. The other one's manually operated, because that's the way the wife wanted it. And so, real simple. Put this baby on. Just line her up right here. Boom, 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 boom. I always pick these because you can see them. Then the rest will pretty much just go in place. There we go. Now these, don't over tighten them, they're just snug. These are real simple to work on, just be patient with them. And don't always think that it's a major issue either. It's usually pretty simple. Okay, there you have it. If you want to put these caps back on, they just press right in right here. Alright, it's totally up to you. You go just like that. Boom. Done. I don't know, one must have fell out because it's missing. Don't know where it could have gone. Anyhow, so this is how this is done. Now to put your filter back in, it's usually easier to do it with the fan off, because it wants to always suck the filter up. So you can try it like this. There we go. Okay, that's that. Okay, so I hope that this helped you out. Just little simple fixes, you know, trying to fix that vibration instead of replacing a fan that it didn't need. You know, it's just simple things. So anyways, like I said, hope it helped you out. You have a great day. Bye now.